What if your next smartphone looked like it came from the past, but actually fixed some of the biggest problems with modern phones? Meet the Minimal Phone 2. And honestly, this might be one of the most interesting phones we've seen in 2026. The first thing you'll notice is the keyboard. Yes, an actual physical QWERTY keyboard. But Minimal says this one has been improved, while the phone itself has been redesigned to be smaller and more compact. And then there's the biggest change, the display. The original Minimal phone used e-ink to make scrolling and distractions less tempting. The Minimal Phone 2 throws that idea out the window and switches to an OLED panel. That means brighter visuals, smoother everyday use, and a much better experience for basically everything you do on a screen. But here's the catch. With OLED, you can now watch videos, play games, and scroll social media much more comfortably. So, is the Minimal Phone 2 still a distraction-free phone? Or is it becoming a normal smartphone with a keyboard? There's also 5G support, which means there's a new processor under the hood, along with reportedly faster software. The design gets an aluminum body, black and silver color options, a single rear camera with LED flash, and a front camera that now sits above the display. Even the headphone jack has moved. It's now at the top. And that physical keyboard could be the real reason people buy this thing. Because in a world where almost every phone looks the same, the Minimal Phone 2 is doing something completely different. OLED, 5G, a physical keyboard. But the big question is simple. Did Minimal make the perfect focused smartphone? Or accidentally make the Minimal Phone less minimal? And that's exactly what makes the Minimal Phone 2 so interesting.